Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by prepping quickly. Cleanse your face and pat dry so foundation adheres evenly. Next, apply a light moisturizer and let it sink in for 1 to 2 minutes. This prevents patchiness. Then, add a primer where pores or oil show most, the T-zone and cheeks, so your finish lasts longer. Once done, press the product in with fingers or a damp sponge. Doing this ensures the foundation blends into the skin rather than sitting on top. You shake the Fit Me bottle and dispense 1 to 2 pumps onto the back of your hand. You can always add more. Use a damp beauty sponge or a dense brush, pick up product, and start applying at the center, forehead, nose, chin, because that's where you need coverage most. Blend outward in short, tapping motions. Make sure to thinly layer rather than glopping on product, because thin layers give a natural finish and let you control coverage more precisely. You finish by setting oily areas lightly with a translucent powder. Press, don't sweep, over the T-zone to avoid disturbing the base. Make sure to breathe, and then spritz a setting spray from arm's length 2 to 3 times to lock everything in and reduce powderiness. If you spot streaks or patchy areas, re-dampen your sponge slightly and press gently to reblend. This fixes texture without adding more product and keeps the finish seamless and natural.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.